Where is everyone?
No.
You were meant to be here like 15 minutes ago. What the hell are you doing? Oh, don't give me that bull. Yep, and we'll cut there. I'll just do that one. Yeah, so crew's basically disappeared. We've had to throw the script out. Like, legit, it is in my bin at the moment, waiting to be shredded. That's how useless it is. Our director is late. Our cinematographer is late. I forgot to turn my phone off. So, my life.
Barton.
Belconnen.
Braddon.
Bruce.
I brought him on board because I knew he would be a good director, or at least I thought he would be. Gotta hand it to Jarvo, he's handling this all so well. Really? You stopped to get Macca's?
Yep. A director cannot work without substantial caffeine.
Mate, we've been here for like half an hour. What the hell?
It's all good. Everything set up then? Quiet on set, please. Quiet on set, please. Quiet on set, please. Well,
It's like
I'm sorry
Dr. Jekyll
if
and
they
Mr.
thought the
Hyde.
role
I can't
was
think of
completely
any
different.
other reason.
I want to shoot the next shot in 15 minutes. All right, let's get it. I'm drinking my coffee.
To be honest, I didn't need to go to Macca's. I just didn't want to be there while they were setting up.
Mate, I'm trying to do like 4 jobs at once, so leave me alone, mate.
See this hand?
Yeah?
What should be in this hand? You're close. My role is director with a camera and a coffee.
I'm the sound guy with the boom and a reflector. You see this hand? You see this fist?
Hmm?
You see this?
Yeah? Alright, here we go.
Been here.
Go. Go.
Cowell.
Connor.
Civic.
Craze.
So did you actually message the crew?
What you were?
No. Where's the AD? Where's the grip? Where's the coffee runner?
The PA.
Ngunnawal.
Nichols.
See this? It's itching for coffee.
See this?
Zach and I got to the park on time and started setting up with the extras. Then we were just waiting on Aaron and Tom. I wrote up a schedule and gave it to them, but I have no idea where they went.
When people ask what I wanted to be when I grow up,
You're the sound guy.
I said a movie
You
director.
don't get to make suggestions.
That was my dream.
We're on this scene. Camera's rolling.
He's a nightmare.
I never want to see sound guys stand in for actors again.
He is an absolute nightmare.
Now I'm pretty certain it was a nightmare.
Look, man, I really appreciate you coming out here. I know it's not ideal, bit of a nightmare, but look, you've done more than we could ask for, especially with, you know, sound screwing up all the time. Still don't know why he's here. No, I digress. Look, you've seriously done a good job, and like we're happy to have you here.
Cheers, mate. Have you got any more of them cookies? Because like they were pretty good.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Sweet. Easy.
Yeah, no, definitely
worries.
get into them. Yeah, you deserve them, man.
Yeah. All right. Cheers.
Hey man, I'm really sorry about Tom. I don't know what's going on. He's normally not like this.
Nah, it's all good, man. Just, I got cookies, so I'm happy with it, you know? Like, could be worse. I've been on worse sets, and they didn't have cookies, so, you know.
Cool. Is there anything I can get for you to maybe help?
Probably more cookies. Yeah, that'd do it.
At least the cookies got to the right place, though.
Why did I hire him? Why? So today's not going well at all?
No. No.
Do you want to elaborate?
No.
Why?
Hang on. Wait. What's behind the scenes doing in the shot? Get out of here.
What do I want for lunch?